Hi everyone, I'm Libah from Standard 6B Orchids International School, Kurla. I'm going to show an experiment on the eruption of volcano by mixing acid and base. For this experiment, we will need an empty jar. We will take 50 ml of water and add 5 ml of dish soap in it and mix it well. Now we will pour the water in the jar. Now we will add 1/4 cup of baking soda. Now mix it well. Now in the end, we will add 100 ml of vinegar. Boom! My volcano erupts. My aim is to show how acid and base works together, giving a chemical reaction. And my conclusion is a chemical reaction between acid and base gives out a gas called carbon dioxide.